Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're doing Mission 4, Lesson 1, Word Problem. Look at the picture on the screen. What do you think today's word problem is going to be about? Have you ever been to the beach and picked up a shell? Let's read our word problem. In the morning, Jacob found 23 shells on the beach. In the afternoon, he found 10 more. In the evening, he found 1 more. How many seashells did Jacob find in all? If he gives 10 to his brother, how many seashells will Jacob have left? Wow, that's a lot of information. I like to use a strategy to help me find the most important information when solving a word problem. It just makes it a little easier. The first thing I do is find all of the numbers in my word problem. Do you see the numbers? There they are, 23, 10, 1, and 10. Those are the numbers we're going to need to solve this problem. The next thing I do is underline my question. But you know what? I have 2 questions in this word problem. First, I want to know how many seashells did Jacob find in all. Then, I want to know if he gives 10 to his brother, how many seashells will Jacob have left? Now, the next thing I want to do is box any words that will help me to know what I'm going to do to solve the problem. Am I going to add or subtract? When I look at this word problem, I look at these words. He found 10 more, then he found 1 more, and then I boxed how many in all. Those are important words. I want to know in all. And when I want to know in all, that usually means I'm going to add. But then in the second part, he's going to give some away, and it wants to know how many he has left. When you give something away, are you adding or subtracting? That's right, you're subtracting. That's a takeaway. So let's show what he has. In the morning, he finds 23. Can you count by fives with me? 5, 10, 15, 20, and 3. Then, in the afternoon, he found 10 more. 5, 10. In the evening, he found 1 more. This shows all of the seashells that Jacob found. Okay, so let's look at this. We're going to draw a tape diagram. Some people call it a tape diagram. Some people call it a bar model, but it's the same thing. We see that he had 23 shells in the morning. So I'm going to draw a long box and put 23 in it, but I'm going to label it with an M for morning. Then I'm going to add on what he found in the afternoon. How many did he find in the afternoon again? Did you say 10? That's right. And I'm going to put the letter A to show afternoon. Then in the evening, how many more shells did he find? He found 1 more shell. And I'm going to put an E for evening. So how many shells did Jacob find in all? When you see in all, that means you have to put it all together. And when we put things together, that means we're going to add. So I want to know how many in all. Part, whole. 23 plus 10 is the first thing I'm going to do. That's just adding a 10. In 23, I have 2 10s. If I add another 10, I would have 3 10s. So 23 plus 10 is 33. But don't forget, he found 1 more in the evening. So let's add 33 plus 1 more. What would that be? Did you say 34? Great job. So Jacob found 34 shells in all. But are we finished? No, not yet. We have another question to answer. Now Jacob's going to give 10 to his brother. That is so nice of him to share. We want to know how many he's going to have left after he gives away 10. So let's see. We know the total this time. We know that he has 34 total shells. We also know that he's going to give away 10. So I'm going to put 10 in that smaller bar model or tape diagram. He gave away 10. So I need to know, how many shells does Jacob have left? This time I have the whole and a part. When I know the whole, but I'm missing a part, do you know what to do? I'm going to subtract. 34 take away 10. 34 has 3 10s and 4 1s. If I take away a 10, that leaves me 2 10s. So 34 minus 10 is 24. Jacob has 24 seashells left. Wow, what would you do with 24 seashells? Sounds like he had a great day finding seashells on the beach. I hope you have a great day.